How to turn the keyboard sound on and off on your iPhone 13 and 13 series phones. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the keyboard sound on and off. So you guys are all aware and you guys all know that if your phone is not on vibrate and it's on to have the volume on, you hear that power button click. And also when you get into your keyboard, if you're using your keyboard, you guys can go ahead and you guys can hear that click. You guys can hear that clicking of the keyboard, click, click, click. If that's something that annoys you and you want to get rid of it, the only way you do it is by going to your mute, putting your silent mode on. If you want to keep your ring on and you want to get rid of that sound, this is the way to do it. So first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down till you see sounds and haptics. Go ahead, select that. And from here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom. We will see there is keyboard clicks and there's also lock sound. So we're gonna go ahead and deselect keyboard clicks. So that is now currently off. So if I go back into here, you guys can hear that it does not make any kind of sound when I do that. The power button still makes that click sound. If you want to get rid of that as well, same spot, same place, scroll down into your settings, sounds, and scroll down to the very bottom, lock sound. Turn that off. And just like that, you no longer hear anything. So if you want your lock sound on, you can go select it. And let's say your keyboard click sound, you want it to have it. You can go ahead and select it. Be sure to turn it on. And maybe it's not as loud as you want it. Maybe you want it louder. You can use the volume button to turn it up all the way. If your ringtone is up, that'll be as loud as it goes on here. So there you guys have it. That is my quick tutorial on how to turn your keyboard sound on and off, and how to turn the lock click sound on and off on the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 series phones. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.